welcome back. We're gonna do something a little different today. Today we're gonna be moving, changing, and switching up the look on the Camaro. I love this car. I would love to own it for another 20 years. So I'm going to constantly be updating, changing, refreshing, modifying the look. The main reason I've done so many stickers on the front of this car, believe it or not, is actually paint protection. These cars get pelted to hell, as all cars do, when they're daily driven. So I thought it might be a good preventative measure to do some stickers. So some of my stickers, like this black one here, it is literally just paint protection. I just don't have clear, so I did it in black. I thought that was better than just nothing. So why not? So today we're gonna do some stuff, but I'm limited on time, so let's just get into it. Bit of a finished project at this point. I didn't actually clean my car. I just cleaned the front portion so that I could make the video, get the wrap done. And we're gonna throw her back outside, back into the wild wilderness. It's about to get dark and I'm tired. This was a lot of work. You wouldn't think so because it is a fairly small, just 4 small pieces of vinyl, but trying to get them to look right, sitting there measuring for Christ, almost an hour, try and figure out what the proportion should be and how much taper and how much is too much and how much is not enough. And obviously the vinyl expands drastically as you get all the way up onto the roof, but no, I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. I'm pretty happy that I still have matching vinyl so I can make it all look appropriate and correct. I find the blue bow tie stands out a little bit more, I think, maybe. I'm not too sure, but definitely refreshes the look. I took the underlights off. I left those on until the end to see how it kind of fit. And to me, it just wasn't really jiving with the overall feel. And it just looked like just a tad too far. For me, anyways. I know a lot of people think all of this is too far, but screw it. It's my car. I love it, drive it, do it the way I want to do it, and this is how I want to do it. So leave comments. If you like, dislike, things you think I should add, change. I'm always open to other people's opinions or ideas. I just do the best with what I can. So that's her new face on the Camaro yet again. Until next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.